Hi y'all, this is your favorite nerdy girl here, and I thought I would do things differently for this nerdy girl review. I'm gonna do a small let's get ready video with nerdy girl, so you more or less have an idea of the process. My makeup is already done, but I'm going to do for the first time an unboxing kind of video of one of my wigs. Yes, if you're familiar with my work, you're familiar with my wigs. So I kind of wanted to cut down on the time. So I'll do another video with, explaining how I went about my makeup at some future point. But yeah, I went with like a contemporary, but yet very stylized in like a 1950s look. So let's get into this review, but let's get into this this let's getting ready aesthetic. All right, stay tuned, y'all. So before I do anything in terms of like laying down my hair or anything like that, my go-to tools is Shine and Jam, and it says slick edges, and has it's good for natural hair, and it comes with plenty of olive oil, which is good for your hair follicles. So this is my go-to. I kind of like just lay back my own hair so I can fit it into the wig cap. Just take a small, that's all you need. And again, just stylize it like you would style your own hair, as if you were going to put it into a nice ponytail or a high bun. Any nice rounded little brush, and again, make sure you get all up in there to like get every little hair. You don't want your natural hair to stick out when you're wearing a nice wig. Get a nice hair tie. And you're gonna put your hair in a nice little teeny bun. Big bun depending on the width of your hair. Push it in, pull it in, and then wrap it up. It should look like a nice little bun. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. Also, you can pick these up at any beauty discount. 300 at a pack. They're bobby pins, but not their traditional bobby pins. They're open-ended. Okay, so we're gonna get them in there in our wig cap, and come back. This is your best friend, a nice wig cap. They come in a variety of colors, from beige to middle tone, to dark. I believe black. They also have them in black. So let's get this on. We'll be back. Alright, so you got your bobby pin, and where you have your bun, you just want to make sure you kind of like punch it in there. You know, you would have to like puncture a little bit of the stocking, because that's what essentially it is. It's a stocking on your head, but just to keep your hair all nice and tidy. But you want to make sure that it's nice and tight, so you don't have any mishaps, and especially you don't want your wig cap by the end of the night, and this has happened at the end of your head and you look all crazy. I also would invest in these tiny little hair clips. They're traditionally for children, but they work great. Again, if you don't have too much hair and you want to make sure your wig stays put, you go in here, grab a good portion of the wig cap, boom, set to go. It just keeps it in place. It locks it in. And traditional bobby pins also work. Again, you just want to make sure that she is not moving anywhere. So wherever you need to grab it, you want to feel secure. In case you're whipping your hair on that dance floor, you got it locked. Now, these are two essentials that you need, depending on your preference, but I go to my yellow one. This has got to be glued. This is their styling cream gel kind of thing. You place it on where you want it to be the most tacky, and then you have your got to be glued hairspray, freeze spray. You spray it where you want to. You make sure. That's why I'm going to show you in a little bit my scarf. Tie it, hold it on there for a couple of minutes. You're good to go. stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So this is the anticipated and most coveted Outre wig, melted hairline. It's a lace front, and this is the Geneva, and it comes in the color of DR4 T27613. That's transparent lace HD, no plucking required. Okay, I have not opened her. I'm very excited because it's just been so well recommended. And again, if you like this type of video, please let me know, and I will continue to do more as much as I can, because these are expensive even though they're synthetic, but they're divine, and yeah, can really make or break an outfit depending on how you style her. So let's get into it. Also, want to make a note before I open her that it also gives you a number of other instructions on how you can part it, where the lace is parted. Just want to let that be known. Outre, it comes really well recommended. You can get them on a number of sites, but yes, let's get into it because I'm excited. This is her coming out of the box again. This is my first introduction to the wig and the packaging. She comes in a nice little net, and I believe it also provides a number of other colors that you can get her in. So really pretty. 13 by 6. Let's get into her. Let's open her up. So as you can see, she has a netting. This is the lace. Oh wow, honestly, this is the first that I've ever seen a wig like this. I'm a newbie to wigs, so don't be all hypercritical, but yeah, you can see, and you can see like where the weft is, where there's like a widow's peak. Wow, it has sideburns. It has the netting in the back, also a strap to hold it in place. And then it has these combs. There's 2 in the front and 1 big one in the back. Wow. I'm very impressed by the construction of it, honestly. Yeah, and then I'm gonna trim it as best as I can without damaging her. But she's very long, very pretty. It has her card, which we're gonna cut. So I hope I do this justice. She is snug. Now, don't get me wrong, they still have a lace on, so I have to cut it. But, oh my god, I'm very impressed. I put her on, the strap is on, and one of the combs are in, but... So I'm going to cut this lace as best as I can, and I'll be right back, but I myself, whoa. Whoa. Okay, I've cut the lace, so now my trusty got to be glued. You gotta make sure it's super tacky. Shake it up if it hasn't, it's been sitting around. And just make sure you get it all nice and tacky before you start placing it around your hairline. Wherever you don't want it to be known that it's a wig, make sure it's all nice and tacky. Let it dry. It's almost like, you know, like you're putting on eyelash glue. You know what I mean? Give it a couple of seconds and then start gluing it down, especially by the sideburns. Honestly, this is such a snug fit too. I think you don't even need too much. And this hairline, oh my god, I am so impressed. You don't even know. It's alright. Next step, hairspray. And if you've noticed, I've had to clip it back some, but again, get your trusty, got to be glue hairspray, and just spray where you really want it to stay. Press it down some. With some nice tissue that's not gonna or napkins that's not, or a nice cloth. it's not gonna like come off on the wig. And also, if you want it to dry, get your trusty hair dryer, put it on a cool setting. Low. And press it down some. Now, once everything's glued down and nice and dry, make sure you get a nice powder just to kind of fill it in. Nice powder foundation. Fit is really popular and well known. My color, I believe, is beige. It's 235. Fit me. Yeah, pure beige. So I'm gonna get my nice trusty makeup brush. Any fluffy brush will do. And really kind of work it in there. You know what I mean? So we'll be back. Okay, y'all. So y'all ready for this magic? Because I just tried some. It's wow. Like, all the YouTube reviewers are not even playing when they say that this genuinely disappears and melts into your skin. Like, it's crazy. Like, for synthetic, that is not like natural hair, human hair. This is crazy. Wow, I'm genuinely impressed by this line. Outre. I am a fan. This is crazy. Oh, okay. The soundtrack is from which I'm going to be reviewing in a little bit. Lovecraft Country. To all my American Horror Stories fans. Tell me it came in your head, Ryan Murphy. Again, I'm a big Ryan Murphy head, but oh my god, this song is like perfect, creepy and sweet and charming at the same time. Anyway, nonetheless, let me finish this up, and so we could get on to the review. But this is, I am so impressed. Impressed. Now, you want to get yourself a nice paddle brush, okay? Paddle brush is your best friend when it comes to any wig. So I'm going to take these clips off. But baby, I am so impressed with this unit. Oh my god. I'll be back. Okay, this genuinely... And I can part it wherever because of the lace front. All the... Wow. I'm like genuinely... I'm genuinely shocked. What? I'm in love with this unit. Honestly, if I could get another colors, I believe it comes in a brunette, a cherry cola, all types of stuff. Oh my god, I love this hair. It does shed a little bit, but that's known with 613s. I am so impressed. Oh my god. I am so happy with this unit. You don't even know. I recommend it, y'all. Look how pretty. She's, you know, and I'm not too tall, so it comes up, you know, a little below the bust. Oh my gosh, she is ready. I am ready for the summer, honey. Get ready for some new reviews with this hair. Hello. I am so impressed. Anyway, so I'm gonna get dressed and then we're gonna move on to the review. Hold on a sec. Outre, it is your friend. So stay tuned, we will be back. And I hope you like this let's get ready with Nerdy Girl kind of review. Let me know, please comment and give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and any comments are welcome as long as they're constructive and positive. And if you like this kind of video, please let me know. You know, I'll do more. I'll show more of how I get ready and zhuzh up my look. Alright y'all, stay tuned for my review is next. Till next time, Xoxo, Nerdy Girl.